Hi everyone. Today we are exploring the Baumer CTX Pressure Transmitter, a compact, high-performance sensor trusted across industries for reliable pressure measurement. Whether you are in hydraulics, pneumatics, process automation, or OEM machinery, this model is built to deliver accuracy and long-term stability. Let's dive in. The CTX series is Baumer's flagship compact transmitter line. It's designed with a stainless steel housing, welded diaphragm, and integrated electronics in a single, vibration-resistant body. Available ranges include 0 to 1 bar up to 200 bar, and even negative ranges like 1 to 0 bar, ideal for vacuum and suction lines. It provides a standard 4 to 20 mA or 0 to 10 volt output, compatible with any PLC, controller, or display. Inside, the CTX uses a piezoresistive pressure sensor mounted on a stainless steel diaphragm. When pressure acts on the diaphragm, it deflects slightly, changing the resistance of the sensing bridge. The electronics convert that into a linear analog output that's proportional to your system pressure. This ensures a smooth and noise-free signal, even with long cable runs or high-frequency fluctuations. Here are the highlights that make the CTX stand out. Accuracy, plus or minus 0.25% of span. Output, 4 to 20 mA, 2 wire, or 0 to 10 V, 3 wire. Pressure ranges, 1 to plus 200 bar standard. Operating temperature, 25 degrees Celsius to plus 85 degrees Celsius. Enclosure protection, IP65, IP67. Compact 22 mm housing, fits easily in tight panels. Excellent shock and vibration resistance. Its compactness and rugged design make it perfect for OEM panels and mobile equipment. Wiring the CTX is simple. Brown is equal to plus volt supply, 24 volt DC. Blue is equal to signal return, 4 to 20 mA loop. Black is equal to output, 0 to 10 volt models. Mount the transmitter upright on a clean, leak-free pressure port. Always tighten with a wrench on the hex body, never on the housing, and keep cables shielded for noise-free performance. The Baumer CTX is used in air and screw compressors, hydraulic presses and power packs, pneumatic automation systems, water and chemical pumps, HVAC and refrigeration control panels. It's a reliable drop-in replacement for many imported and local transmitters, offering Baumer's proven Swiss German engineering quality. Compared to entry-level transmitters, the CTX offers better signal stability, faster response time, higher temperature tolerance, consistent accuracy even after years of operation. So, if you need a compact transmitter that performs like an industrial heavyweight, Baumer CTX is the one. To summarize, the Baumer CTX Pressure Transmitter delivers wide range options, high accuracy and stability, compact IP67 design, perfect fit for industrial and OEM applications. For genuine Baumer products, ready stock, and technical support, visit radicaltechmart.com or contact our team today.